The Student Kit is designed for remote learning, providing all the hardware, software, and learning material required for one person. The learning material includes access to an online platform with 9 step-by-step lessons with up to 25 hours of learning time, covering topics such as basic concept of electricity, safety in class, writing code, building a circuit, among others. The content provides extra information that is relevant to the learning journey of the students. For example, students will learn concepts of electricity and programming by discovering how different inventions work. Did you know that electric motors were invented by Michael Faraday in the 19th century and are currently one of the most common devices on the planet? Electric motors are even finding their way to new applications, such as in the fields of robotics. Another example is the resources section that allows students to have a better understanding of concepts and exercises. The content comes with 2 open-ended projects, combining the concepts from the previous lessons. With these 1 projects, students and educators can evaluate what students have learned in a practical way. Throughout the lessons, students will answer exercises included in a logbook. The logbook is a tool to practice more, and for students to annotate observations and experiments. The logbook comes with keys and solutions so students can reflect on their answer alone or together with educators or parents. The Student Kit supports students, teachers, and parents equally. Educators get exclusive access to tips on how to manage the class in distance learning smoothly, how to run the exercises, to assess students and their projects, and how to provide extra meaningful experiences. To find out more, click on the link below.